So yeah, today we are again at the same place, and this is gonna be the part two of the Habibganj or MP Nagar Jain temple that I captured, that I talked about in my previous vlog. And now we have come at the roof. That day we were in the bottom. We took the shots. We captured the Dhyan Kendra, which is located right in the bottom, you know. And today we have come at the top, and on the top you can see like this is the center portion, and there are two stories, and this is the crane. Just look at the height, the sheer height that it has attained. And the structure, the temple is going to be very magnificent. It is magnificent, and once it is completed, as you can see the piles of rocks over there which have come from Rajasthan all the way to Bhopal, and these artisans or the people working there, you know, the master artists, they all are from Rajasthan only. And this is going to be the front facade, you know, of the temple. This one, look at the architecture, it's symmetrical, right? And this is where we enter from, and once we come in, then this is the area where we will be entering from, and then we will reach there. And following the steps, we will come to the first floor, then to the second floor. The architecture is marvelous, you know. The sheer carvings on the walls, which are so intricate, that you cannot take your attention off them. Not only is it magnificent, but it's also very intricate. Yeah, my friend is warning me to not take the risk, and his concern is actually very right. And I'll be just trying in order to locate, to give you just the reference. This is the Bansal one. Near that is Rani Kamlapati, your station, which is India's first ISO certified station, built in PPP mode, and which is a world class station, railway station. And that building is, I suppose, the BJP's office getting constructed, right? And this is the temple, and this is the front entry of the temple. Just look at it. Yeah, like we should take the caution, and this area is actually under construction, so we cannot take the risk. Yeah, I should know. No, take the phone, help me come out of this place. No, I can come myself, like you can just make some space for me.
Now it's a challenge for you to come to the temple.
It's not that big a challenge, huh? So for a moment I felt like Bear Grylls. Yeah, this is also something which you can see. This goes all the way to the bottom, you know, all the way to the bottom. It is very deep. And
Bro, can you click my picture one
no, I'll click your pictures when we come for the next
from
time.
this phone?
From this phone. Okay, all right. So you cannot. All right. Bhopal is a city blessed with, endowed with a lot of greenery, and here metro is also running. You know, the metro has started for not a very big stretch, for a stretch of around 7 kilometers only as of now, and that will go up to around 30 kilometers in the coming time. And look at the clouds. Yeah, just because it is a city of lakes, there are so many lakes, you know.
One more, please.
Yeah, I will this is ruining my vlog, you know. So I, just because I do not edit it, I won't be able to, you know, edit it. And thus we should be focusing on the vlog only. Okay, let us go back. No, we'll come. No, we'll come.
It's coming nice, yeah. Please.
Yeah, it is nice, I agree.
From upstairs, please.
From upstairs I might endanger my life, you know.
No, from there.
This man is so stubborn, man. ज़्यादा पीछे मत झुकना है ना. Amazing. Vivek is a nice guy, and I asked him, like, I'm going to the temple for the Acharya Bhakti. It's gonna be a special occasion. Will you be joining me? So he agreed. Just in once, and just look at the tones that it has, you know. It's a curvaceous path, and we are stepping downstairs, and look at the jali work.
Oh, let's see Bhakta Manna.
Well, I don't think that will be. नहीं इधर से buddy. अच्छा let me show you once how does it look like. I'll show you like there is a Vedi just in the front of us, and it's not consecrated yet. Enough of bro, man, just come, we are running short on time. Come, bro. So now let us have a look at the tunnels. The path is going to be amazing. I think we need light over here. I cannot see anything. It's dangerous. Yeah, it's becoming hard. Anyways, move faster. With caution. Alright. So this was the entrance, right? And this is the metro line going on. And here when we enter into the temple, this is going to be the main hall of the temple. And beneath this is located Dhyan Kendra that I shot in the previous vlog. The carving here on the walls is just mind-boggling. It's very intricate, it's very beautiful, carved with great precision and accuracy. Just look at it. And once it gets polished, it will look even more beautiful. The work is still going on, and I guess it will take somewhere around 3 to 5 more years in order to get completely built, and then it would look just stunning. It would be a jewel, a crown of Bhopal. Metro is located quite near to that, not very far, and the accessibility is another thing that makes this temple very, very amazing.
Let's do Darshan of Maharaj Ji.
Let's do the darshan of Digambar Jain saint, and after that we will go. So these are the small cells or rooms for the sons, for the Maharajis, and there's a group or sangha of around 30 Jain monks, and Acharya Samay Sagar Ji is the head, and this is the Dhyan Kendra. Namaste. Just because Maharaji is doing the Swadhyay or Patikraman or I don't know what, we thought it is not suitable to enter inside, and we will be looking for some another path, and I'll be making a separate vlog, entirely separate vlog altogether, for how the life of a Jain monk is like, how do they live their life, because a lot of people are just curious in order to know how is their life like. They don't wear clothes, they have nothing, no vehicle, no home, just 3 things: one kamandal in which they keep their water in, one pichi, to keep their path clear of any So we are going the entire way around the temple, and we'll be trying to enter from there. This is the back side. Almost. This is the Dharan Kendra. Again, it is the Ashirwad of Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji, blessings of Acharya Shri Vidyasagar Ji, the predecessor of Samasagar Ji, who is currently heading the Sangha, that we have this great temple getting built, almost built completely in Bhopal. Long live the Shraman Sanskriti. Jai Jinendra. Jai Hind.